In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Figma. Wrapping text in Figma is simply about controlling the width of your text box so the words flow onto new lines automatically. This is useful for buttons, cards, captions, or any block of copy that needs to fit a specific space without manually inserting line breaks. First, go to Figma. Open the desktop app or the web version and jump into a file where you can practice. If you're starting fresh, a blank canvas is perfect. Make sure you can see the right sidebar, because that's where the text settings live. Next, add a text layer. Select the text tool or press the T key, click once on the canvas, and type a sentence or paste a short paragraph. Using a few lines of real copy makes it easier to see the wrapping behavior. Keep the text layer selected so we can adjust its properties right away. Now, look at the right sidebar for the text resizing options and click Fixed Size. Figma provides 3 modes. Auto Width keeps the text on a single line and expands the box as you type. Auto Height grows the box downward as lines are added, and Fixed Size gives you a resizable container. Choosing Fixed Size is the key to wrapping, because it lets the box define when the text should break to a new line. With Fixed Size enabled, adjust the text box and the text will wrap. Hover over the right edge of the box until you see the resize handle, then drag inward to make the box narrower or outward to make it wider. As you change the width, the words automatically reflow to fit the space. If you want a particular line length for readability, nudge the width until it feels balanced. You can also drag the corners to set both width and height, and Figma will keep the text contained within that frame. A few quick tips as you refine. If the lines feel too tight or too loose, check the line height in the sidebar to improve readability. Align left for most paragraphs, and center or right only when the design calls for it. When you're done, move the text box into your layout just like any other layer. Wrapping will continue to work as you resize. And that's all you need to wrap text in Figma. Open your file, add text, switch to fixed size, and resize the box to make the text flow exactly how you want.